And once Brian from Naval Rescue. I'm here with my good friend Will Smith. He's driving the plane. We're doing Little Bird 3, 4, and 5. Badass Carl's in the back. We're leaving Tampa Airport now. We're flying Tampa to Cape Haitian, switching to a helicopter, going to infill into Port-au-Prince to HLZ2, and rescue three Little Birds 3 and 4, who are sisters, for a family going to North Dakota. And Little Bird 5 is a little 7-year-old girl going to Plano, Texas. We're about to taxi. We're out of here. Do you care about weight and balance, what we said in that shit? Somebody say that again. So right now we're at the clubhouse at HLC2, which is fine. The bird is here, we're here, everything is here, everything is good. The paperwork is still screwed up. We'll talk about that in a second. Okay. So because of the time of day, the traffic is really terrible. So like normally it'd be like 10 minutes, but right now it's a parking lot. Give me a minute. We may just gonna. Yeah. All right. There's some confusion on paperwork. So once we have paperwork, we're gonna go get the kids and get the out of here because the weather is getting bad. I think. What do you think, Skip, about the weather?
Ryan, hear ya. Do you need help with anything on IBSR? Is there anything we can help there, or just what you let us know?
I think it's working. The question I have for you is: do we know what location the passports are in? Are they at the embassy? Are they at an office? Do we know?
They should be with our girls at the.
Perfect. We got the F letters. Okay.
Oh,
what?
Bye.
Oh, okay.
Did he just hang up?
No, we told the girls. We told them that they're gonna probably leave. They're gonna be on a helicopter probably, and then an airplane. And you can trust the people that show up that are gonna take you.
That's good. I'm glad you
And I said, you might be Americans, we're not sure.
You might have a beard.
Right. The plan was not clear by this time, what we
Yeah.
were gonna do, so we didn't get to tell them much on Friday. They do know they're gonna get on the helicopter. That, they have no idea what a helicopter is like, so that's all new too. They've never hardly been in a car.
Yeah,
Let alone
that's,
been in a helicopter.
that was our.
Let alone been on a private jet.
Yeah.
PJ like already.
I'm about to say.
Right, I've never been like that. They're gonna experience something.
I just showed up and delivered
I
that.
guess so, yeah.
There they are.
Praise God.
Oh my lord, that's the passports. There we go, me too love, let's go! Woo! That means they can just go. They just gotta get the girls.
Yeah.
That's
it.
And the girls are together, that's what he said?
At the
They're all
Oasis.
together? Oh, nice.
Oh, so now we're gonna go to
5
Oasis.
minutes away, but
So in 3
not
hours.
more.
It went from an hour to got him?
Maybe they were already in transit there.
They were close.
Jackpot, number 3, 4, and 5. Copy all.
Woohoo!
Go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, I want you to tell us how. How did you go from an hour to 0?
So now they should be here in like 3 hours, 2.5 hours.
No.
Tonight, Naval Rescue. I'm here with Birds 3, 4, and 5 in a car. Just jackpotted and with friends. That's Little Bird 5 right there. That's the love. That's little bird 3. That's little bird 4. Super awesome. Baby.
Yolanda, Esther.
Okay.
I'm Yolanda.
She's so cute.
They're just nervous as they come.
Those two is big show.
Yeah.
Okay, so Damon, if you can let Will Smith know, we're gonna come out real hot. There's fighting to the west and a little to the south at the moment. So we're gonna spin to a hard, right pedal and burn north hard. So 40 minutes, maybe 45. They're talking about closing the air. They're talking about bad weather coming, so I want to get the hell out of here fast.
Good.
They don't have anything with them. They got the clothes on their back. That's it. That's all they got. So remember that. All right, guys. We'll see you guys in 3 hours. 40 there plus 2.5. That's 3.5 plus current customs. We'll be with you in 4 hours. Give or take.
4 to 5 hours.
Barring paperwork problems.
Love
Okay. Their exit letters are
That's amazing.
their exit letters are close enough. Is what we're gonna say. They're gonna work. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Close enough is what
Couple
we
challenges
said.
there, but everything's cool. Everything's cool. All right.
Awesome.
All right. So one more time.
Hey.
Donnie, say hi, Mama.
Good. Rough. Hey everyone, it's Brian from Brave Boy Rescue. I'm here with Big Man Carl. We're completing Little Birds 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3. We just completed Little Bird 3, 4, and 5, which is our Haitian orphan program. Will Smith Aviation was kind enough to charter the plane. Big Will's driving, Carl's in the back. We went into Port-au-Prince today, rescued these 3 kids. They've already been adopted by American families, so they've won, Haitian orphan lottery, and they've been sitting there for a long time. We had some paperwork challenges, we had some admin challenges, we had some getting shot at challenges. It's Haiti, everything's weird. But thank you to all the donors who really came forward, who really stepped up. There's a whole bunch here. I'd be here all day if I listed them all. But bottom line is, with our team's help, with generous mission partners like Will Smith Aviation, Shell Dare, who's hooking us up, our good friends in the State Department, thank you. Our good friend U.S. Embassy Port-au-Prince, thank you. And our good friends in CBP, of course, thank you for letting these kids in. The travel ban is on. And being able to bring these kids from Haiti, from orphanages where they got absolutely nothing, to America when their families are waiting for them is really remarkable. These kids don't have, they literally have the clothes on their back. They don't have anything. And because of donors, because of mission partners, because of our government partners, because of our team, our case managers, all the different people that have come together for weeks and weeks and weeks to make this happen, these 3 young girls are able to come to America and take their next steps. And those steps, whatever they are, will be better than what they had. We worked real hard, real fast, and as always, Grable Rescue works at the speed of need, and we need your help. Or these little girls, and many of them, who don't come out. We have 30-something other girls, or kids, not just girls, just like these ones, but the airplane doesn't fly itself. Will Smith Aviation donated it, and we had to charter a helicopter and go in, and we got stuck, and it was a whole long story. Thank you to everyone that helped. Grable. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Grable!
They're coming, so you have to be patient.
Good to see you guys.
You made it.
How are you? You are good. Good. How are you?
Tired.
You tired? Yes. Yes. Can I have a hug? How are you?
Oh, how sweet.
This is, remember Amos?
Oh,
Here's Amos. Amos, give her a hug.
look at that. Brother. Yes.
You made it.
Long day. It's been very tired. Yeah.
Who are you?
Good to see you guys.
Piece of cake. Most
Are you ready?
Carl.
Did you like the airplane? You like the plane?
Here's our family. Big Grandma Tony.
I'm rolling.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Great!